Alright everyone, I'm here with another layout, and I am using basil cardstock as my background, and then those triangular pieces are actually cut from a whole pattern paper, which was Hip Kit Club's Awesome Life called X Factor. And there was this one, and then there was a pink one which I used. So I'm going to use that for the next layout that I got. Make it stiff. So this is pictures of the courtyard. Love that. One thing I absolutely love about this house is it reminds me. It's a Spanish. They say it's a ranch house, but it feels more like it has a Spanish feel to it. It has a courtyard with an iron gate. And oh, wait a minute. Oh no, this is Home Sweet Home. So the next layout is the courtyard. Sorry. So this is actually, you get to see, this is, let me see, this is my living room, which is really long, and then my family room with the fireplace. So you get to see my new house, which I love. And then you can see my, this is standing at the end, at the one end, and taking a picture down the living room. And you can also see to the breakfast nook, because there's the living room and then the door to the backyard and then the breakfast nook. And so this is before all of the unpacking. I need to take pictures. I'm going to print those. Okay. Well, if you're in here, Sabrina, then that means I hear Theo out there on the screen. Oh, man, pretty girl. Alright, so let me see. The floral layer behind the photo mat is Hip Kit Club's Awesome Life pedal pushers. Sabrina, do you baby girl? Pretty orange eyes. So that's what I get. So that means the die cuts are Hip Kit Club's Awesome Life, of course. And these layouts I did during my Thanksgiving break, while everybody was asleep, because my Alex's brother, friend, and his dad came, so they usually slept in till 8, 9 o'clock, so I had 4 hours, because I got up around, well, anywhere between 3:30 and 4:30, so, but mostly I was up at 3:30, because I wanted that time before they got up. And before I had to go, I worked in the yard. My Christmas break, any warm days, I gotta do power washing. So I gotta get that Alex mowed a pipe that goes to the well, so I have to have the well shut off. So I don't want to use my city water for power washing, because that increases the bill between $10 to $20 depending on what I power wash, because the driveway is a lot to power wash. I never even finished it from the last time. So, yeah, so it's a lot to power wash. And the house is clean. I don't need to power wash that, but my back porch, because my master bedroom has its own private patio, which I've got to get my Christmas break. I've got to get my pond in the ground too. I have a spot for that, as long as there's no roots. Yeah, so. And I have no clue what I'm doing there. Oh, I'm looking for a movie. I'm going to stream it to my TV, I believe. Yep. Sorry. There we go. So the chipboard stickers are also Hip Kit Club's Awesome Life, same as the die cuts. So Alex, working for the Village Movers, customers get rid of stuff. They're like, oh, you know what? I was going to move this to the new house, but you know what? I don't want it. So we got 2 chairs, air mattress, a couch, a couch with an air. That's a sleeper, has a bed inside of it, but it's an air mattress, not a regular mattress. So we do not have a dining room table, so that area is just bare. There's nothing in it. So is there a dining room table that I would love to have? Yes, I have found a dining room table, a buffet table for the dining room that matches that, and a breakfast table that also matches it. But that will have to come in time unless Alex has a customer that gets rid of a really nice dining table. Then we can have that. But he did get a 40-inch TV given to him, so he's going to hang that in my scrapbook room because we own the house now, so we can hang the TV. And they got rid of it with the thing to hang it. So he's going to put that in here because it also is a internet capable TV, so you can actually search the internet with the TV. It's not a smart TV, but it does do the internet, and we can also make it a computer monitor. So I wanted it on that wall to use it as a, but I don't know, because I was going to move my desk from in front of my window because it's my chair, big office chair, and I can't get through this part of my shower room. I don't know. I'll have to figure it out. So I rearranged my scrapbook room because there was a lot of corners, and more corners than the rental. And it drove me nuts not having any counters like I did. And I just could not get my husband to cut boards for me to make counters fit around the corners, so I had to rearrange it so I can use my straight walls, which worked better anyway. But because of the window, I put just a few things here, but I don't want my computer in front of the window. It's too crowded on this side, so I need it behind where I sit to scrapbook. So anyway, home is Pink Fresh Studio, Let's Stay Home, Puppy Alphabet Stickers, and Sweet is Making Home Sweet Story. So perhaps I'll take a video of my scrapbook room, and maybe you all can help me figure out how to organize it. It's really driving me nuts. It's not organized like I like it to be, but it's more functional than it was. It was a hot mess before, and I couldn't do it anymore. It was aggravating me. So anyway, this is the last of my layout. I'm going to do some splatters just to kind of help complete it, and then that is that. So I have one more, and then I'll be back with that. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.